Okay, the router is already connected to internet and I'm connected to this router and the doorbell also connected to router and I already connected to smart life with the doorbell and I can see that call from the doorbell, but I cannot receive the call. And go to the doorbell. The doorbell is already here. And I want to see the camera doorbell camera. It cannot see. It cannot connect to this camera. Once I press, it's ring, but I'm not receiving call. I am not receiving call. And I go to the notification. I can see the call received, but it's not actual recording the camera call. It's not active. That means that this product is defected. Already connected to Wi-Fi, to the internet. The connection, everything is fine. This router, I got the internet 2 GB per second. There. It will never end. There. It's failed.